It seems that the only way that I can clean my carpet well is by spot cleaning, using the scrubbing brush that comes with the carpet cleaner. This is the standard carpet cleaner that you can get in Walmart or whatever. And I was using the regular brushes just to do room cleaning, and it wasn't able to deal with stains like this. This is probably coffee stains like that. I had tried to use the regular method, but apparently the only way that I can get rid of the tough stain is by using this. This is like a stair upholstery cleaner. It sprays the cleaning fluid here, and there's a scrubbing brush here, and it sprays the liquid onto the dirt here, and you rub it back and forth and use a bit of quite a bit of elbow grease, and that's the only way really you can clean the stains like this off the carpet. And I had lots of them, and I think about 95% I was able to clean. So the wife was thinking of replacing the carpeting. It's okay with me, but you know, there's a lot of moving to do, which I don't think I want to get into. So I'm going to clean this. I'm going to turn the machine on. It's going to be loud, and I'm going to show you sort of like the before and after of this cleaning. So I would say it's 99% gone, and this is another one that I have to clean. I would just squeeze and spray liquid on it for the first half minute or so, and then I just release the trigger finger and just rub on it so that it can rub the stain. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit left, so it still needs a little bit of scrubbing. And when you're scrubbing, it's actually pulling up the dirt because it's also a vacuum cleaner in a way. So I'm going to continue cleaning this section here. I'm going to show you an after picture of what was here before. So this is the area that had the spots before. I would say it's 99% gone. When it is still damp, it tends to hide the dirt a little bit. This tiny little spot here I still have to do, but I would say 99% of the dirt are gone. And this I haven't been able to do with the regular cleaning. Now I can go over the whole carpeted area after I spot clean it with this scrubbing brush here that I hadn't really used before except on the stairs, but it really does the trick when you have some very tough stain that you need to get rid of. There's this tiny little spot here. Let's do that. And that part is, the dirt is gone. Okay, I'm gonna get the wife and see if she can find some dirty areas for me to clean.